guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to connect. Okay, so different ways how to connect the bra cup, as I have lots of questions. How did I connect? How do I connect my bra cup? Okay, so the first option, okay, option number one, okay, it's very easy. If you want this connected, and we will do that. So we are going to insert our hook, and we are going to just connect into the first stitch, or if the first double crochet, okay, or first stitch that you can find. Okay, then you just have to single crochet. Okay, and that is connected. Okay, or else you can, okay, you can just slip stitch. Okay, insert there and slip stitch. So that's one way as well. Okay, and you just have to, and then now it is connected, as you can see. Okay, so that's two options. That's two options: single crochet or slip stitch. Okay, now the third option is, so we're going to start from here. Okay, you're going to chain how much do you need with mine. Okay, you just want to work what is the measurement in between your cups. Okay, so for example, this one here, okay, so if you want that wide, okay, and you just have to chain that from here, from one side to the other, and then you have to slip stitch. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so I have one there, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for example, you want 5. Sorry guys, my jacket is just too noisy, clunking. Okay, so just let me fix this one because it's cold here, guys. Just let me fix this. Okay, so we have this, and then now we're just going to connect in here by slip stitching. Okay, pull through and pull through all two, and then you fasten it off. Okay, now you have your bra cup connected. Okay, so you have that connected. Okay, then so this is the third option. Okay, and one more thing how you can connect is leave this, just leave it like that, and then you can cut it off, but now I'm not going to cut it off. Okay, so I have one here that has the one in the side. Okay, so this one has the one on the side. So what I'm going to do with this one is just single crochet in each stitch. Just make sure that it's not bulky. Okay, so just pay attention with your stitches. And by doing that is you have to keep checking. Okay, so with that one we're good, and we're just going to continue that. So I'm not really stitching in particular or specific in particular where I do insert, but with this one you can see in the middle here I put one, and then in here, okay, so we have a hole there, so I'll put there one there, and then one here, and then one there. Okay, so it doesn't need to be specific. All you have to do is just get that stitches and make sure that it's not bulky, so don't put too much, and just continue single crochet. Okay, so there's a lot of people, you know, struggling with this. It needs to be flat. Okay, so how they do that it's not bulky, you just have to be mindful and try keeping eye on what you're doing, and if it is bulky, and then you just have to decrease your stitching. Okay, so we're close to the middle, to the end of the first cup. Okay, and we have to put one here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, okay, so it's pretty, it's straight. Okay, from here what I'm going to do now is chain. Okay, so it's the same as the previous one. Okay, you just have to chain how much chain do you need. Okay, so try measuring how many do you need. So with mine, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and now I am going to insert into the first stitch in the other side. Okay, and single crochet, and continue single crochet to the next bra cup, to the next cup, and just single crochet that until you finish the row. Okay, so let me just get this done for you guys so I can show you, and then if you want to add your design after that, you're free to do that, but this is just my way of connecting. So in this tutorial, this is just different ways how I connect my cups, my bra cups. Okay, so one here, don't jump, one here. So yeah, so with these options, I just got this, and you know, I use different options every time. If it is like much easier for you, yeah, you do that. If I'm going to do the double crochet and then I just single crochet first, or I just connected first, before I do the double crochet. But if you want more cleaner, okay, so I'm just going to do that, guys. I will just jump in here, okay, and to the last one and just complete that. Okay, so never mind with that. Okay, so from here, if you're going to finish, okay, as you can see, that is how we connected. Okay, so it is connected. And if you want to go here, and you can do that as well.